We're heading to the store. I need to get some yellow female connectors. And my LED light strip just, acted up. And I used everything up except I need just two. One more. Get the job done. So I need a package of them. Two would do for sure. I could place an order on Amazon, go get them, wait a day. But, I do it now, and tonight I could complete the job. Not really. I could complete it tomorrow. So I'm really not in a rush to get it done, but I can make my connections, which I need to make them. A cold, brisk morning? Yes, it is. A nice, clear blue sky. It sure is. I am waiting for Cinnabon to open up. Carvel, man. Gonna be a long time. Even Auntie Pretzels. It's a 3-in-1 store. And right across the street with Carvel. I could go to Dunkin' Donuts, Baskin Robbins. The last time I was there, it was like $5 for a single scoop. I guess afternoon bike rides are going to be started, and morning walks. Gonna be an Amazon, maybe a Home Depot later. Now, the yellow ones that the opening, the head, they were like this big. I need something that's really micro small. They were like jumbo size. Never seen things like that before. That big. Maybe it was a misprint. They're coming soon. They got a long way to go. Not right now. So yeah, we got the print shop going. Used to be a laundry mat. All that good stuff. What's happening over here? Looks like they're repoing a car. Got no sticker on it. Get it on out of here. So yeah, how would you like to have a house? 1.2 mil. Sold on the corner. Doing a nice job getting that ironwork up. Yeah, I wonder what the insides look like for that price. And on that note, I gotta go do some work. I gotta go figure out what to do. Get my stuff, get it ordered. We'll go pick it up later at another place.